This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Nissan Leaf bonnet. Pull the hood release lever inside the driver's side footwell, then press the safety latch under the bonnet and lift the hood gently until it locks in place. Check for prop rod or gas struts and secure the bonnet before working. Always turn off the vehicle and remove the key before inspecting the engine bay. Wear gloves and eye protection. Locate the exterior safety catch by standing in front of the vehicle and feeling under the bonnet lip with your fingers. Slide the safety catch toward the vehicle center while raising the bonnet slightly to disengage the latch. If the catch feels stiff, apply gentle movement rather than force and lubricate the catch later with a silicone spray. Keep your fingers clear when the bonnet releases to prevent pinching. Work calmly and always support the bonnet properly before reaching into the engine bay by using the prop rod or confirming the gas struts hold. Switch the vehicle off, remove the key, and if needed, disconnect the 12V battery when working on electrical components. Let the engine cool down to avoid burns and wear gloves to protect your hands. Keep tools organized and avoid wearing loose clothing that could snag on parts while you work under the bonnet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.